Good morning, my dear students. Yeah. Kasi that 9 ka.
No.
Today's that 8. That means you have 2 days in hand before the exam ka. Exam yung that later. That is masiga hayang katangay ka. That 10 lagi you'll be fetching your BA1. BA1 na ani. Other than that, my humble request to this one is that please revise your lessons and go through the probable questions as usual. Aina hanan ko ito sa high kari high satro kara di aina pigiba probable questions sing do WhatsApp ke through thakna check to mayam yaw gre ka, but still I do hope that some of you are still going to come make it ka kasi wali ba satro sing do taurakani na khali ka adana routine su phangamani routine phangamani na routine do tang kya da thoi hai wa do fazana yengo adu duga preparation fazana tawro ka adana yenga exam su kuidre. Let's not waste time taman gum chika ana class su hoi kadang kak thage ngasi dika question yam na tawroi ana sum oja sing se classroom khaga thagalika kaina matamda you are in class 10 le yorina. We have to complete our syllabus in hand before the exam la thingaida makoi gi syllabus cover tawbe ade ka adon exam lai haidna larik tawdragadi class tawdragadi ke dawre your syllabus will be lacking behind ka syllabus loison bangam horoi aduna ngam dragadi ke dawre it will be a big problem when the exams come near ka exam national kanda problem yam lakani yan dar ka sha aduna osasina pekha maya sida class of shali ama tawshali habagi na koida kaimta no tawgano because you are already given the probable question ka probable question ane pithok rama ngatani ana pithok ki question sing do revise fazana taw MCQ question ngatani na ka pesu yam kana luningai leite yan dar ba sha aduna yanga ngarang ki makha satha siang ka ngarang mo discussion taw gi bada adum fazana solve tor ko yaure homework pirak pa yaure ka adu Washington ni ngarang question nama hange n tam habasiga kamaina khetna ge haba yo mana hangi ta karina ya n tam habini ka pronunciation bi sab mana ga ni ka ama duna kana no n tam haba yang darba adu era no ubudung ngamani ka n habidi karino AP series gi kaya subatam no n subatam da haba adu sila kari haina tam amma habini ba n adi amma habina ta sa yawane sigi n sigi meaning di kaina sa amma habina tra aduna tam amma habini ba sina n subatam habi kaina manga subatam la tara subatam la kun subatam la adu du katani ko khetna bajika aduna kai sum ngauninga leite Washington na tra si clear oi na tra tu dia yare ka aduna nga narangi makha satha boina yesterday we have discussed up to question number 6 ka 6 pokta ore and today we'll be starting discussion from question number 7 ka 7 le discussion ta usi yo 7 se yamna kai suk lu question na te ka as we did earlier mamang da hana tau giba question number 3 da tau giba then question number 5 da tau giba adu ga sab ma nei ka adu na stu ke dar ge ga as you have already learned karina linear equation into variable term gre ka adu form dum la ka to ni ana kai suk lu ningai leite ka adu ne you read the question number 7 ya ka exercise 5.2 question number 7 mana question para ba para ka to dia no ne question number 7 na hai chikai ne find the 31st term of an AP dugi 31st sub term da puthora u habani kai dauraga di whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73 habaka ada manas da p is kana ne no 4 and AP series samagi kali tiraba 11 tamagi kari wadina A11 is equal to 38 and kari pire A16 that is 16 term adnika sikana no 73 ne aduga hangisle kaina you are asked to find kya subatam hangiba A31 se putho adnika yarega sa adana aina any term have the not 10 subatam putho 13 subatam putho have matamda we have to have kai like the koi kutta lage dam sa A have say ga kayano D have say kayano have say koi na koi kutta lage da kar tai ka adana sida p riba question sida D A is kayano p de D kayano p de ka adana we need to find those A and D first ka A and D ga hana putho ka dori ne adana ya kola se among the question number 5 to 9 agi pado adu khanga ga di ka si am line ko ni ka adana ya let when kai long salani A and the D be the first term and common reference of the given AP. P riba AP to gi koi na kai long sale is na first term ni lore ken dai ka yo tama kan dari bu sa ka AP riba AP series to gi first term ni A lore ken dai ka and then common difference na D lore respectively ka then ako ni khange kari khange and that term is equal to kana hoiba A plus N minus 1 of D sila ka then we have ahamada p is kana no A11 na dra adre N ki value kaya no 11 ni therefore na kay sa A11 is equal to A plus 11 minus 1 D adana A11 ni kya parent mana 38 pire ka therefore it has to be replaced with 38 then A plus 10 D this is your equation number 1 and again so nakanda mo yan A kaya is 16 na dra and A16 is equal to A plus 16 minus 1 all D therefore A16 is how much 73 ka 73 pyramidina A plus 15D this is your equation number 2 here ka now we have two equations in hand kutta equation ani laire ka then we have also two unknown variables variable ani laire adu kana kana no A have siga D have siga ka aduna kai dawrani sa sidagi aina A ga D ga puthokna mo kanarani aduna kai dawre sa by elimination method ka subtracting equation 2 from 1 lagi 2 hai due 1 da kana lai we have 38 minus 73 so na kana di kana lai A plus 10D whole bracket minus then after subtracting how much you get plus minus minus so minus so 73 minus 38 is 35 and that was that then so now you remove the bracket so A get cancelled then how much you get 35 minus 5 D then together D value kya pangani minus 35 by minus 5 that will be equal to D so D will be equal to 7 D की value pangai ka Then once you know the values of D, then you put those values in equation number 1, then you come to 2, then you come to having got the answer law. One the half calcium. One the half you have 38 is equal to A plus 10D. Natra, kasi saka sample lagi yung ka. Space kita mo sorry. We have to be replaced with 7 natra. Therefore, 38 is equal to A plus 70. So 7 is 1 to 4. So A will be equal to minus 32. Ini bisa. Now how much you get? क्या खांगे? A की value खांगे, D की value खांगे ना था. Then we can easily find the values of A31 का. Okay, सिमल हम से लो. तो क्वेश्चन में आंसर दी लो इधर का. Now we will make sense bring up. You know, then going ahead ka. Now we have to find the values of A31 ka. A31 values for us saying up. So now we have A31. A31 we come A plus 31 minus 1 all D. The value of the learning how much we get 32 plus 30 lani D value क्या फंगी 7. So 32 plus 210. So therefore plus minus kita jalan ni kena minus tahu ni ka. Kita 21 lagi 32 kali 2 di F lele 7 lele 1. Nah, apa na? Therefore the 31 term or 31st term of the given AP is क्या फंगे पे ना 173 I. This is your answer. And that is it. You can now note it down. The remaining one is in yellow. Sima. And now read the next question. Question borrow. Your next question is, similar to this one, AP consists of 50 terms. AP we have 50 terms when n equal to 50. Then, third term period, last term period. Then you also find 29 super term to provide. Yeah, okay, now question number 8. Question number 8 है कहीं नेवा जिकी दो given the मान फिर से n is equal to 50. Last term means an निका समखंग दबा. An is almost given क्या फिर दबा 106. अदुगा third super terms na kaya pile 12 pile ka ang hangis na kay na 29 super term ka kaya 29 से क्या होंगे सिर्फ जिके तो सपना नहीं है ना कैसे खेलने वाला ही देखा so kaya वाली solution ना है ना A and the B with the first term in common difference respectively. So in area an is equal to, so an की वैल्यू क्या है मार्क करिएगा 106 नद्रा an से खंडरे इसलिए क्या बनेगा n is 50 minus 1 t की वैल्यू खंडरे का वो समझ चल रहा है ना. So 106 is equal to, this is equation number 1. Similarly, tăng sum cái ổかlà A3 will be 12 equal to, nah terus ya. So subtracting equation 2 from 1, so क्या लगेगा सर 106 minus 12 is equal to, so 106 again when 12 kind of how much will be getting? So it can get cancelled. So D will be equal to, so D will be equal to 2. With the value का again now put this value in equation 1. So equation 1, the one we have 106 equal to A plus 49B. B is 2. So क्या लाने हैं ना 98. So A would be equal to, now we get the values of A की value का, and once we have these two values, then we can find the values of the whatever terms being asked का. Then A29 का नाम बन रही 28B. So A is 8, 28 into 2, so 56, 64. The conclusion that AP है the 29th term ऊपर में मिका. Okay, note it down. Get down what out of right now. Ya la próxima. Ese es el campo. Dale, mira, el próximo. Pues se la metes que está aquí, será ya la otra. Se entiende ya, ¿no? Pues en así que se lo sale así ka. Ado dona next time the hayeng su class la idika. Dona tomorrow again let's discuss some questions more again tomorrow. Hayeng khara bunai na sika. adana ngasi gidi sidalo isalasi imamda ajana lari pau ka pekhaji koidre option nagano and the rice korongan mana sak pa jana ka option anu ka and darba sedanyo tamthin ngan ba koisa sar lai na pau dai ka adu koisa sar kano imamda fajana lai ka adu lari fajana par ga layo option adu vida day after tomorrow you have your exam, first exam of this session ka naki ahanwa exam ni adana azabazari umda lari par ga lai ro ka ke then ahan class mo thaina rasika. Goodbye.